here student, as we discussed that angle theta and how the things take place. Now we will say, we will just flip it. Okay, when we flip it, the C come up and A come down and B will be remain same. Okay, how it happened? We will see with one example. You can see, if this is a triangle A, B and C, so at base angle is C. Okay, so I will take sin C, cos C, tan C. But if I flip it, I have to consider A. Then now it will be 90 degree and A angle. So it will be tan A, sin A, cos A. Or we can say sin A, cos A, tan A. So this is simple a flip. This is, or nahi to, like this. So here, the alpha come here and rest of the side names are same. Means it's A, B, C. So at point C, the angle is theta. At point C, angle is theta. At point A, angle is alpha. At point B, angle is of 90 degree. But here, how the things change, here we can see, here we know that the side adjacent is known as base, the side opposite is known as perpendicular. So here, your perpendicular became BC. Earlier it was AB. But now when we are considering this angle alpha, it became BC. It flipped. Okay. So now if it is BC, and the hypotenuse will be same as we have seen here. Hypotenuse is AC and then hypotenuse is again AC. So but these perpendicular and base get interchanged when we are changing the angles. So here if we will take sin alpha, cos alpha and tan alpha, then this will be the opposite side, this will be the base. So here it will come perpendicular by hypotenuse, means opposite sides of the angle divided by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, cos alpha AB by AC and tan alpha BC by AB. So only this change reflect in your T ratios also. And the name this, as I told in my last class, that sin alpha doesn't mean sin multiplied by alpha. No. It means the sine of angle alpha or cosine, we can say cosine of angle alpha, if it is cos alpha. It is not the multiply cos into alpha. Okay students? So this was the basic part, like how the T ratio formed. Now we will learn, if we know one T ratio, then how the T ratios, rest of the T ratios will be calculated. If ABC is a right angle triangle and this is angle theta, okay, and this length is 5, this one is 4, okay, and given, or this you don't know, only it is given, if cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, then calculate remaining T ratios. Beta, remaining T ratios mean, the remaining T ratio is, if cos is given, then we have to calculate sin theta, cos is given, tan, then sec, cosec, sorry, here I have just written, this will be easy for you, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Why I have written like this? So that you remember that cosec is the reciprocal of sin theta, sec is the reciprocal of cos theta and cot is the reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal means tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Similarly, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay beta. So now calculating remaining T ratio, for this we should have knowledge that cos theta is equal to B by H, means base by hypotenuse, or we can say the side adjacent to the angle divided by hypotenuse. So side adjacent is 4 because it was b by h. And since it is theta, it means the base angle will be theta. Okay. So if cos theta is given, so by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. This is very simple calculation. So you can find that AB square is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to AB square 9. Then AB is equal to plus minus 3. But we will take plus. So we know the value of AB. Now simply we know that sin theta is also equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is given. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Now we will do the reciprocal. We will do cot theta, that is reciprocal of tan, 4 by 3. Then cos is 4 by 5. So sec is equal to 5 by 4. And then sin theta, cosec theta. So sin theta is 3 by 5. So cosec theta is equal to 5 by 3. So this is really very simple, students. Only you have to keep it in mind. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you have to keep in mind Pythagoras theorem. But the important part that I was about to say, sometimes it is not कि there is the whole values come. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि 3, 4, 5 or 5, 4, 6 or something will be like that. It might be under root 119 or under root 112. The missing value can come. No need to bother. हम simply बोलेंगे and then we will continue with our ratios as I explained. Okay.